Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious caldo de albóndigas. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I will show you how. We're going to begin by making our meatballs. In a large bowl, we're going to add 2 pounds of lean ground beef. We're going to season it with 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of salt. To that, we're also going to add 1/4 of a small white onion, a handful of cilantro, 2 minced garlic cloves, and 1 chipotle pepper. Everything, make sure that you have it nicely minced. Okay, we're going to add 1 cup of rice, not cooked, and 2 eggs. Now we're just going to begin to mix everything together. Make sure that everything gets nice and combined. Okay, so once we have our meat all combined, now we are ready to shape our meatballs. You're going to shape your meatballs depending on how big you want them. Just make sure that they are all even. So just grab it and roll it, just like that. And repeat it until you no longer have any meat to roll. Once we have our meatballs, now we can get ready to make our tomato broth. For the next, we're going to add 5 roasted Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a small white onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, chicken bouillon, beef bouillon, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. I forgot the water. Oops. We're going to mix it all with 5 cups of water. Now blend it to smooth. And once we have that, we can put our caldo de albóndigas together. To our pot, we're going to set it on medium heat. We're going to add our tomato broth, along with 2 quarts of water. And at this point, we're going to add a little salt and bring it to a simmer. Once it simmers, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. At this point, now we're going to add the meatballs. Okay, once we added all of the meatballs, we're going to allow it to simmer again. Now for this caldo, you can add all of your favorite vegetables. I'm going to be adding corn on the cob, so as soon as it comes to a simmer, we're going to add 2 corns. Or you can just leave your meatballs like that and just allow them to cook all the way through by themselves. We love corn, so we're going to add it now. I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we're going to add 3 potatoes, celery, and carrots. Okay, carefully mix everything. Okay, it's fine. So now we're going to cover it again and allow it to cook for another 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, we're going to add 2 calabacitas. And just make sure that you add them, your potatoes and your carrots are semi-soft. Because they're almost done. So then we're also going to add a little bit of cilantro, and I'm going to add another chili chipotle, maybe 2. Okay, so we're going to give it about 5 to 7 minutes, and then we can get ready to serve our delicious caldo de albóndigas. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our delicious caldo de albóndiga is done, so now we can get ready to serve. And of course, just make sure that you check your potatoes and your carrots, so they're nice and soft. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you that this caldo doesn't need anything but a little lime juice. So we're just going to squeeze it And of course, enjoy it with tortillas or just like that, however you like to enjoy your caldo. I am ready. Let me tell you that it smells delicious. This caldo de albóndigas is honestly super easy to make, and the best part is that it is super delicious. And you get to top it with your, or you get to add your favorite vegetables, like I said, or just keep it plain and simple with just the meatballs. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's perfect for this weather. And the meatballs, they're super soft. They're not dry. They're moist. They're so flavorful. The broth is perfect. And adding the amount of chipotles I added was perfect. You know, it's not too spicy. It's enjoyable. And your kids, you know, if you have kids, you're going to be able to enjoy it just as much. Alright guys, and there you have it, how I make this delicious caldo de albóndigas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.